Okay, as promised, here's the math. So we are looking at y, y equals, we're going to have the shape and the x minus, oops, x minus b, x minus c. So here we can see that we have a 4 and a 2, and we can see across one, up one, the shape is 1. So y equals x minus, because this is negative 4, we actually have to have plus 4, and because this is plus 2, we have to have x minus 2. So when x is 2, y is 0, and when x is negative 4, y is 0. Right, so to find the midpoint here, I actually, shape-wise, so that's actually the equation of the graph, right? I can just read that off there. Knowing the shape is 1, cross 1 up 1, the shape is 1, and knowing the intercepts, I've got the graph. How do I find the vertex? Leave the midpoint of this and this. That's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that there is 1. Otherwise, we could go negative 4 plus 2, take the average. So that becomes negative 2 upon 2, so that's negative 1. Negative 1. That is our x coordinate of the vertex. How do we find the y coordinate of the vertex? We plug the negative 1 as the x. So y equals negative 1 plus 4, negative 1 minus 2, which is 3 times negative 3, which is 9. So, sorry, negative 9. So there's the negative 9 and the negative 1, my x coordinate and my y coordinate of the vertex. So the vertex is negative 1, comma, negative 9, which is right there. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. If we go back to our factored form here, we can see that A was 1, B was negative 4, so that's the x plus 4, and C was 2, that's the x minus 2 here.